Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Do you have a crazy schedule? Always on the run and don't have enough time to cook a nice decent meal? Sound familiar? Well, this is when a crock pot comes in handy. After dusting it off, the preparation is quite easy. You set the timer and a few hours later, you've got yourself a great dish like this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my slow cooker pepper beef. What a flavorful recipe! With a great combination of ingredients and lots of peppers, this is a delicious meal you'll love serving to your family. This is the perfect comfort food to enjoy on weeknights. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a large skillet over medium heat, we'll add oil. And when it gets hot, we'll add the beef cubes and saute until just brown. We just want to sear the meat, okay? Of course, we'll season it with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. So when the meat is nicely seared on all sides, we'll remove from the heat and transfer the beef and its juices to the crock pot. We want to capture all the flavors. To this, we'll add white onions, mixed bell peppers. I have red, yellow, and orange. A couple tomatoes, some pressed garlic, minced ginger, a little brown sugar, then oyster sauce, Worcestershire sauce, low sodium soy sauce, chili oil, which I have a great homemade recipe for. So to view it, click on the top right corner of your screen. We'll also pour in beef broth and season with freshly ground black pepper. We'll stir the ingredients very well, close the lid, and set the timer on high for 3.5 hours or 7 hours on low. When time is up, we'll carefully lift the lid and add cornstarch mixed with cold water. We'll stir very well, close the lid, and let it sit for a good 5 minutes. We'll spoon the mixture over a bed of rice, add some chopped nira chives or green onions, and sprinkle with sesame seeds. And my friends, this is our slow cooker pepper beef. What an amazing recipe to make! After searing the meat, the rest is a breeze, and for you to return later on to a delicious meal. Bold in flavor, this Asian dish is sure to please everyone. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, Bon appétit!